Now, yo, if y'all don't know who Shatta Wally is, bro, Shatta Wally is a big Ghanaian musician, yo. Like, big. And this moment,
I just want to say thank you so much. I've never performed in Jamaica before. This is my first time, and I'm always wishing to perform with you on stage. God bless you. Jamaica, I love you. One love.
brother, may I tell you, our culture big, bro, and influential across the world, brother. Trust me. Like, brother, me meet people from all ends of the world. And people tell me how influential our country be, with music be. You see me? I'm wanting to listen careful to what Cartel say, you know. Hear ya.
People, believe me, the culture big. The culture we have is so big and it's so loved by people all over the world. It's amazing. I remember Shatta Wally that I'm a king of African dancer. And watch out. Where I'm getting inspiration from. Jamaica, right here, sir. Tell you. You know, never so bad man around the world.
You see? Exactly. Anyhow, we never saw bad mind. Anyhow, Jamaican people never saw bad mind. Would have run the world, bro. Because we influence by itself is majestic. You understand me? Unacceptable all over the world. Just with influence. Matter of fact, just by how we talk, people actually gravitate to it, brother. You see me? Like, gravitate to it. Like, all over. Like, may I tell that honestly? Honestly, bro. We need to look into ourselves, G's.